We met Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh in connection with the permission of the venue for this Bharat Jodo Naya Yatra. So in these connections, Honorable Chief Minister has declined to give the permission for venue at Hapta Kangjeibung Palace compound. So it is very unfortunate that this declining the venue, which is public ground. Public ground is, in fact, it is a public place for the purpose of the public. So how Honorable Chief Minister declined to give the permission for the venue, it is very unfortunate. It is really mother of democracy, and it is a violation of people's right, and also the violations of the political right of the people of India, more particularly the people of Manipur.
What will be the alternative ground that you will use, alternative venue?
So in fact, governments, after declinations to give the permission for venue, we will arrange alternative place at the private place. That is, we are selecting 2-3 places, which is private land. We will do definitely this proposed Bharat Jodo Naya Yatra, even if government decline to give the permissions of the venue, which is the public place. So it is very unfortunate. Anyway, the Bharat Jodo Naya Yatra is a yatra for the public. It is non-political program. So with the people of Manipur, with the people of India, we will do this Bharat Jodo Naya Yatra from 14th January as per schedule of the AICC. We will do definitely. So it will make a grand and a big flag off program on 14th January. So our Honorable President Mallikarjun Khargeji and the young and dynamic leader Shri Rahul Gandhiji and many other states leaders and other union territory will come to Manipur for this launching the program of Bharat Jodo Naya Yatra. So even if government decline, whatever it is, we the people of Manipur will do this Bharat Jodo Naya Yatra definitely on 14 January